Class action lawsuit is an attempt to hold corporate actors liable for and responsible for acts of consumer fraud, securities fraud, or violations of consumer statutes, consumer protection statutes. Some examples would be, for example, having automobile vehicles with defects in them that are safety defects that the consumer has to pay for, but the company knew about when the vehicle was sold. Securities fraud, where people buy securities based on a representation or a material omission and suffer damage when the truth comes out and this particular security value drops. Consumers that buy products that they believe are one thing and in fact turn out to be something else. If there's a common issue and there are large numbers of people in that group, they may be brought as class actions. And these are typically actions that could not be brought individually because the cost is too high for the particular damage suffered.